Welcome back, traders. If you are looking to boost your trading strategy, specifically your day trading strategy, and spot hidden market moves, then you are in the right place. Okay. In this video, we are diving into the best volume indicators for day trading that can help you make more informed decisions and improve your trade entries and exits. Now, volume is one of the most important aspects of trading, but knowing which indicators to use can really set you apart. Whether you are trading stocks or Forex or crypto, volume analysis can give you a huge edge. So in this video, I'm going to break down the top volume indicators every trader should know, how to interpret volume spikes and trends, how volume can help you confirm entry and exit points, and pro tips for combining volume with price action for the most reliable setups. So if you're ready to level up your trading game, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Okay, let us get into it. Now, before we get into the specific indicators, let us take a moment to understand why volume matters in day trading. Now, volume shows us the strength behind price movements. When a stock or currency is moving with high volume, it's an indication that there is strong interest, meaning the price movement is more likely to continue, right? On the other hand, when a move is happening with low volume, the trend could be weak and the move may lack staying power. Essentially, volume acts as confirmation of price action. For example, if we see a strong upward movement and volume is increasing, that signals buying pressure is building and the trend could continue, right? So by using volume indicators, we can confirm that the market is indeed moving in the direction we expect, giving us more confidence in our trades. All right, now let's just jump into the best volume indicators for day trading. These are tools you can use to get a clever picture of what is happening in the market. The first indicator on our list is the unbalanced volume. All right, or the OBV for short. The unbalanced volume, or OBV for short. Now, the OBV is one of the simplest yet most powerful volume indicators. It works by adding or subtracting volume based on whether the price closes higher or lower than the previous period. Now, if the price is up, the volume is added to the OBV, and if the price is down, the volume is subtracted. The beauty of OBV is that it can help you spot divergences. For example, if the price is moving higher but the OBV is not confirming that, it could be a sign that the trend is weakening. Right, now let's just move on to the next indicator, which is the accumulation distribution line. All right, let us add the accumulation distribution indicator to the chart. Okay, now the AD line is a volume based indicator that tracks the flow of money in and out of a security. Now, if the market closes higher than the previous close, the AD line adds volume, and if it closes lower, it subtracts volume. Now, this indicator is useful for detecting trends and spotting early signs of trend reversals. A rising AD line suggests accumulation, which is buying, right? While a falling line indicates distribution, which is selling. Okay, now let us talk about the volume moving average. Okay, let's talk about the volume moving average. All right. Now, the volume moving average is exactly what it sounds like. It's a moving average of volume over a specified period. Now, by smoothing out volume spikes, the VMA helps traders spot significant volume surges and determine whether the price movement is supported by strong interest. A common strategy is to compare the current volume with the VMA. So when volume spikes above the moving average, right, it can be a signal that a strong trend is developing. Now, finally, we have the volume weighted average price over VWAP. All right, we have the VWAP. Okay, just to increase the thickness. All right. Now, the VWAP is one of the most popular volume indicators among day traders. It's used to determine the average price of an asset weighted by volume. Now, the VWAP gives traders a sense of the true average price for the day and is often used to identify key support and resistance levels. If the price is trading above the VWAP, it's generally considered an uptrend, and if it is below the VWAP, it's considered a downtrend. Traders often use the VWAP to enter positions when the price pulls back to the VWAP during an uptrend or downtrend. Okay, now that we've covered the top volume indicators, let's talk about how to interpret volume spikes and trends. All right, now in terms of volume spikes, a volume spike occurs when the trading volume is significantly higher than usual. This could indicate that a large amount of buying or selling is taking place. If a price breakout happens along with a volume spike, it's often seen as a confirmation that the move has strong momentum and is likely to continue. Now, talking about volume trends are also essential for determining market strength. For example, when the price is trending up and volume is increasing, that suggests that the buyers are in control and the uptrend is likely to continue. Conversely, if the price is trending up but volume is declining, it could be a sign of weakening momentum and the trend may not be sustainable. Okay, to really take your volume analysis to the next level, you might try combining these volume indicators with price action for more confirmation. For example, you might spot a bullish engulfing candle at a key support level. But to confirm the setup, you want to check if volume is higher than average. If you see high volume accompanying the price action, it's a strong signal that the move is backed by real market interest. Another powerful combination is using volume indicators with trend lines, okay, or support and resistance levels. All right, very, very important. If a breakout happens at a key resistance level and volume is high, that's a strong signal that the breakout is real and not just a fake out. Okay, so traders, that is a wrap for this video on the best volume indicators for day trading. Hopefully you now have a solid understanding of how volume plays a crucial role in making better trading decisions. Don't forget to practice using these volume indicators in your trading and test them out on different time frames to see what works best for you. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a trading tip. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there is a specific volume indicator you love using. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.